Kitchen items in English with pictures. Teapot, spatula, strainer, ladle, cleaver, oven glove, corkscrew, plate, knife, fork, grater, toaster, kettle, whisk, rolling pin, blender, chopping board, wooden spoon, apron, bowl, spoon, frying pan, saucepan, cake slicer, colander, baking tray, casserole dish, vegetable peeler, ice cream scoop, can opener, bottle opener, cork, microwave, electric cooker, dishwasher, fridge, scales, measuring jug, chopsticks, glass, mug, cupboard, kitchen sink, jug, napkin, pestle, mortar, wok, garlic crusher, zester, potato masher, salad spinner, butter dish, salt mill, pepper mill, sponge, olive oil, fire extinguisher, milk, bread, eggs, sugar, rubbish bin, kitchen table, ice tray, spice rack, scouring pad, tea bag, coffee granules, stool, electric fan, food processor, waffle maker, scissors, cup, saucer, paper towels, broom, mop, basket, tap, fruit juicer, paper towels, soap, bucket, tongs, deep fryer, toast, coffee pot, clock, chocolate, fruit bowl, ceiling fan, cheese, matches, egg timer, funnel, jar, bread bin, cutlery,